Welcome to Food Fanatic. So today I will be showing you how to make stir fry baby corn in Szechuan sauce. For this you will be needing 2 packets of baby corn slit and cut in long size. You will need half a cup of maida, half a cup of corn flour, salt as per your taste, ginger garlic paste. Now in a vessel pour some drinking water and allow it to boil, and add some salt to the water. Once you see that the water has started boiling, add in the corn. Give this a slight stir and allow it to boil for 5 to 7 minutes. You can see the baby corn has started cooking. I'll keep it for another 5 minutes. Now I will be adding in the maida and corn flour to this. I'll add in the ginger garlic paste. Some good amount of salt. Now as you can see, the baby corns are cooked. Now I will be straining this. To this you can also add some red chilli paste, that is around 1 tablespoon. Now you need to give this a nice mix with your hand. And then add this mixture on top of the baby corn. Add a handful of water or water according to the consistency. You need it to be little bit wet but not too much. You need to make it like the consistency for how you do it for the pakoras. Now I have heated the oil in a kadhai and I will be frying this. So now as you can see, the baby corns have become golden. I will turn this and cook this again for some more time. Now you can also fry these baby corns like this and have it like a snack with Szechuan dip or something, or you can also fry it and add it in the Szechuan sauce, which I will be showing you after frying these baby corns. So now as you can see, the baby corns have turned nice golden and brown in color. So I will be taking this out in this absorbent sheet over here like this. And I will fry in the remaining Now in the meantime, while the baby corns are frying, I will be separating it like this, as you can see. Okay, so now for the Szechuan sauce, I have taken a fry pan and I will be adding some oil to this. I have added around 5 teaspoons. Now to this I will be adding in 3 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce. And I'll give this a nice stir. To this I will be also adding in 1 tablespoon of red chili paste, or rather 2 I will be adding. To this I will be adding in some tomato ketchup. And I will be giving this a nice stir. To this I will be adding in the spring onions, some greens. There is around 1 cup or 1 bowl, I would say. Give all this a nice stir. Now to this I will be adding in some salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, and I'll give this all again a very nice stir. At this stage, when you see the sauce leaving the sides of the pan, add in the fried baby corns. And stir this well. Now as you can see, the baby corns have been coated and cooked well. Now at this stage I will turn off the flame and transfer it to another vessel. That is to a serving bowl. So now as you can see, your restaurant style delicious baby corn in Szechuan sauce is ready. Please do like, share and comment on my channel. And please do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you. Bye bye.